Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android supports eSIM and that your carrier allows activation. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and update the OS so the profile installs cleanly. Make sure you have the carrier's eSIM QR code or activation details. These are required to provision the profile. Now open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. From there, you're ready to add a carrier. Choose Add Carrier or Scan QR, and proceed to the next step to provision the profile. You'll now provision the actual eSIM profile by scanning the QR the carrier provided. If you can't scan, tap Enter Details and input the SMDP plus address and activation code. Once you submit, the phone downloads the profile. Keep Wi-Fi on and battery healthy so the process doesn't interrupt. After the download completes, you'll assign a label and decide whether this profile is for data, calls, or both. Make sure to review APN settings if your carrier requires custom values to avoid data issues. You finish by enabling the newly installed profile and selecting whether it handles calls, texts, or mobile data. Once enabled, restart your phone to finalize routing. After reboot, test mobile data, send an SMS, and place a call so you confirm full functionality and billing activation. If something goes wrong, first toggle the eSIM profile off and on, verify APN and network settings, and retry scanning the QR. If issues persist, contact your carrier with the activation code and device details for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.